Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Chehak Sharma. I hope you are good. So, this video is about the preparation of a UPSC aspirant. Okay. So, I myself a UPSC aspirant and UPSC aspirant and this video is about what are the challenges and the hurdles you have to face when you are preparing for this prestigious examination. Okay. So, as we all know that this is something that people hype. Okay, people hype this examination, and the havoc or the fear that everybody gives is very much besides the syllabus itself. Okay, so whosoever that is knows something or little about this examination is very courageous than me. Okay, so this exam is about the mental, the knowledge, and the emotional intelligence that we have. Okay, it is not that anybody who can, who can very, superiorly intelligent or very inferior in their academics are, have to compare that. That doesn't matter. you know this field is how the field is very tough. It is tough because everyone, it is an open game. Everyone is sitting, everyone is in any field or in any background are sitting in this exam. The bureaucrats children is also giving these prestigious exam with the background of their forefathers, fathers, parents, etc. And the one you know who is very beginner in that journey is also giving this exam. So this is the one factor that makes this exam very tough. The second one is the syllabus. It is so vast. So to cover this syllabus, you have to make good strategies and good choices, that you have to be develop your interest as well to study this huge chunk of syllabus. Okay. And the society, the pressure is also there, because this exam is not about that you have to qualify, but it basically decides your future. you know this exam decides your future, your status, your months of preparation, your caliber, your everything. Because society just know that success comes when you study. But the thing is, most of the people is not know that it is it is not just the success that comes, it just how much failure you have gone through to succeed in that success. So this is something that we have to know. And as an UPSC aspirant, I just share some of my experiences with you guys, that you know this exam is about how you actually perceive yourself, how you actually control yourself, how you actually gains the knowledge, and how you extract something from any information or from any passage. It doesn't test only the knowledge base, it tests also that how, what are the individual that you have, that you are really, and what you perceive to the society, and what traits or what something that you reflect to the society. So it basically it is a mixture of all, like emotional, physical, mental, psychological, contextual, everything. And in the answers of this UPSC also, we have to write these dimensions also. So this is something that we have to know. And for the one who are not qualified this exam, don't be very upset or downtrodden, because I myself have to give this exam in 2026 and upcoming 2026. But I just want to know that whosoever that wants to prepare for this exam have to know these basic things in their mind. And yes, you have to study a lot, to study a lot, because why this exam is so tough, because you have to be an individual who, you know, who supervises, who leads, who understands, as well as other dimensions of the people also, how to treat them. You have to, basically you have to be a leader, okay? And to be a leader, you just not have to think about the goods, but about the bads also. So this is something that you have to know. And for me, I have to say that just prepare, be prepared, because this exam is very very, protects your knowledge base, becomes you a citizen of something, that you have know something. And yes, this is very tough, but you have to start developing the patience skills also, because the we have to eat the elephant, and the elephant is the syllabus itself. So to prepare this, we have to be very thoroughly minded towards this, okay? And these days is also one thing that is prevalent in every aspirant, beside it UPSC and SSC, everything, that mental well-being is very important. You have to be mentally fit, and for that also you need to be physically fit. So, and this exam is requires a very, hours of sitting posture, hours of studying. So make some habits and make some schedules to find out where are you lying, and where are your, and test your capabilities. And besides your ego, side down your ego, okay? Ego is something that we all are aware, it is very harmful. And this is something, some insights that I have to share with you all. And I hope you understand my words or my sentences properly. And to know about this exam, DM me. Thank you.